everyone, it's Carly, your health and wellness coach, and I wanted to give you a recipe today that we've been using since the beginning of summer, and I know summer is pretty much over. However, we're going camping soon, and the bugs are still well and alive and ready to attack. So instead of packing those bug sprays that are filled with DEET or even chemicals, because some of them you can get DEET free, I've been making our own bug spray and it works fantastic. So I combined, taking the recipe from my recipe book, I combined 25 drops of TerraShield, and I just do a small little glass bottle. That way I have it to put in my purse or to put in my suitcase, wherever it's convenient. So I put in 25 drops and 25. Now, TerraShield comes out very slowly, and that's because it's a blend of a lot of different scents and oils such as ylang ylang and cedarwood, catnip, vanilla, and there's a whole bunch of other ones that the bugs simply do not like. Now, the reason I do 25 of that is because there are a lot of different blends, and we want it to be strong enough to keep away a lot of the bugs. I do mix in a few others, however. For example, I'll do 15 drops of peppermint. Again, if you've seen some of the earlier videos, ants do not like peppermint. So I'll put in 15 drops here. Peppermint is also really cooling for the skin, so if it's warm outside, that works as well. And then I put in 15 drops of melaleuca or tea tree oil. And tea tree oil or melaleuca is one of those all-around perfect oils to have on hand. Not only is it good for your skin, like I've mentioned before, but I also use it as a form of like Neosporin. So anytime there's a cut or an abrasion, I put on Neosporin. I don't do that anymore. I put on now melaleuca. So if I put that in my bug spray formula here, not only is it good for my skin, but it's also helping heal anything that might be cut or bruised along the way, especially considering my kids might be going in the woods if we go camping. Then I also add 15 drops of cedarwood, and cedarwood comes out very slowly, just like a lot of the other wood oils. That's very normal. Done with that one. And then the last two I put in 15 drops in as well. Eucalyptus, very commonly known. However, it is very potent. And then I also put in 15 drops of lemongrass. It is not lemon, it's actually lemongrass. So it comes from a completely different plant, different molecules, different chemistry. But lemongrass does have an element of that lemony smell. So you're gonna smell some lemon, but then it has kind of some fresh outdoorsy grassy smell to it. And then I simply fill the rest of it with witch hazel. You screw on the cap and you're good to go. So we use this, I call it our Bug B Gone, and I know that inside I've got different oils that will not only keep the bugs away, but it's good for our skin, it's good for our hair, like cedarwood and melaleuca, and good for our nails, and overall healthy. So I'm not worried about it getting on our clothes, even our dogs. I might be able to spray a little bit on them before we go hiking or go into the woods. So if you found this useful and you have any ideas or tricks or tips that you want to share, please comment below. And to get some more information on how to go chemical free in your household, please subscribe now. Thank you.